Welcome to the in front of me CUBOT R19, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should open the notification bar, and right there on the right down corner of the top bar you'll see the edit icon. Tap there, and as can you see here we got the up section with the visible notification with the visible icons on our notification bar, and the down section with these icons you can't see at the moment on your notification panel, but just to see them, for example, to add the hotspot to your notification panel, hold for a while the icon and drag here to this up section. And for example, we can add here the night light mode, and now if we'll go back, you can see here the night mode and the hotspot, these new icons. And by the same way, if you will just wanna remove some icon from there, you need to hold for a while and drag it here to this down position by this way. And if you wanna just change the positions here on the notification panel, just hold for a while one from the icon and drag it here or here to this position where you just wanna change, and just go back to see all the changes. So that's really simple, as can you see. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comments and subscribe our channel. Bye.